What's going on, guys? So Snowflake is getting absolutely destroyed in the after hours session. They just reported earnings. So I'm just going to read a little bit of information of what's going on here, and then we're going to quickly dive into the charts and kind of see where I think it's going from there. But Snowflake plunges almost 30% on slowing revenue growth. Snowflake's forecast calls for a slowing growth in product revenue growth, which makes up most of the total revenue. The cloud software company said it had almost 6,000 customers and its remaining performance obligation reached $2.6 billion. So let's take a look at some of the numbers here. Earnings loss of 43 cents. Adjusted revenue was 383.8 million versus a 372.6 million as expected by analysts. Snowflake's revenue grew 101% year over year in the quarter, which ended January 31st. So they also, in the previous quarter, reached 110%. The company reported a 132 million net loss, narrowing from almost 199 in the a million in the year ago quarter. So its adjusted gross margin of 70% came in below the street account consensus of 70.9%. Snowflake said it expects 79 to 81% product revenue growth in the fiscal first quarter and 65% to 67% product revenue growth across 2023. So analysts polled by Street Account had predicted a 78% product revenue growth for the first fiscal first quarter. In the fiscal fourth quarter, product revenue increased by 102%. So just kind of taking all of this into account, management did not issue earnings or revenue guidance for current quarter. So that is very, very key. I want that to really get instilled in you. I know some of you guys like to play earnings. Maybe you were crap shooting, going to the long side. Maybe you went to the short side. However, I really never recommend playing earnings, but what really is going to kill a lot of stocks on earnings is that no revenue guidance. Okay, anytime you come in with no guidance and the numbers are just they're okay, normally these stocks get absolutely destroyed. So let's just go ahead and take a look at the chart, and you can see this nasty red candle here. I mean, this is just absolute terror here. So we closed the day actually at $264.69. We were pretty flat on the day as expected going into earnings. And currently in the after hours session, we are trading at $186. I mean, this is absolutely insane. So I can't even really find any support, as previous support has just been busted through. Current lows are down here. So I'm going to actually have to go to a larger time frame. Let's kind of take a look at the daily and let's see exactly where. Let me draw a trend line first so we can kind of see where we're at, and then we can just quickly see here $184.02. And if we kind of go to the daily time frame, we can see exactly where we're at. We're all the way down here at this previous level of support, going all the way back to May, April, June of 2021, guys. So not only did we give back almost, we've already so much down on highs from 405, but not only did we come down from 405, currently trading at $182, we've pretty much given up almost 2 years of growth in this stock. And I actually have to go a little bit deeper into this and kind of look at the weekly time frame here. And if you can just kind of see, completely destroyed, right? So not only did this stock get destroyed, it is actually trading a lot lower than we were in 2021. So what is to be expected now? We could see a little bit of relief bounce, but I would expect that 180 to 190 to act as harsh rejection. If this stock starts to confirm these earning lows of around $182, this could be a slow drift pretty much probably for the rest of the year. It would need something very, very significant to kind of turn it around, the overall market to get into some sort of raging bull market to really turn this around. It's really a shame, especially if you're a long-term investor in this. You kind of have to you're going to want to average down a little bit on your shares. But what you can't do is you can't just start unloading your whole portfolio in on a play like this, just due to the fact that you don't know exactly how low it's going to go. So you don't want all of that capital tied up. You're going to need to establish some sort of new base, some sort of, correction in the overall market back to the upside. But really, really a shame, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys are looking to learn how to day trade options, equities, definitely check out my website at evolutiontraders.com. But I'm definitely going to be bringing you guys a lot more news related content on this channel as well. So if you guys want to stay up to date with what's going on in the stock market, as well as the whole, kind of financial space, definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys all on the next video.